it's Damon, the drone boss, and I had a question about the Drone Command Live virtual event. Several of you have asked this question. Is it worth me attending or even considering starting a drone business if I don't know how to fly a drone or even if I don't own a drone yet? The answer is absolutely yes. We've got the vast majority of our business owners, these are entrepreneurs who started successful drone businesses, had never flown a drone before. In fact, some of them don't even know how to fly a drone to this day. They just simply hire out employees, pilots, to do this. And we're gonna walk you through all this. Now, this is a 3-day total immersion drone business training like nothing you've ever seen before. And I can't wait for you to attend or check it out. If you're interested in drones and taking advantage of this massive industry, now remember, they predicted $124 billion of growth in the drone servicing industry in the next few years. That's absolutely massive. And right now, the demand is way up here and the supply is way down here, so there's a big gap, but it's catching up quickly. So I'm gonna teach you how you can take advantage of this and hit the ground running. Take care and fly safe.